Welcome to our Nova School video series. This is Marvin from NovaPool, and in this video, I explain what the pledge is all about. What is the pledge? When searching for a pool, one of the terms you will come across is pledge. This term can best be interpreted as security deposit or guarantee, although in our opinion, the term commitment fits even better in the context of the Cardano delegation. The pool operator guarantees a certain amount, which they delegate to their pool. On the one hand, this amount is added to the total stake of the pool, just like any other delegation. On the other hand, the pool operator expresses their confidence in their own pool, which should convince possible delegators more of the pool. This is also referred to as having skin in the game. Another aspect of the pledge is its influence on the generated pool rewards. The higher the pledge, the more rewards can theoretically be expected. This influence is encoded into the Cardano network and is currently very small to matter much. How exactly this influence is expressed and how the rewards are calculated, you can watch in our advanced video, Reward Calculation Simply Explained. The amount of the pledge can be freely chosen by the pool operator and is fixed when the pool is registered. Do note, the pledge must be fulfilled, or in other words, the pool operator must actually delegate the pledged amount. Very important! If the operator does not do this or withdraws their delegation later, the pool will not produce any rewards. Pool browser pages usually show if a pool is fulfilling its pledge. The amount of the pledge can be changed by the pool operator at any time. However, the current and the next epoch, i.e. 5 to 10 days, pass until the change becomes effective. If this video has added value to you and you would like to stake too, feel free to come on board. Follow us on Twitter for the latest news about Cardano and our pool. If you have any questions, feel free to check out our multilingual Telegram group. See you in the next epoch!